Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys can hear me well. Yeah, here I am back again with another video. Today we're gonna be changing the look a lot, as you could probably tell by the title. So I'm gonna be dyeing my hair. I am just bored with it, and I dye my hair a lot, especially in the past. I've experimented with a lot of blonde, some color, some blue, some red. So I thought, why not just go blonde? Go for a different look. I always like the look. So yeah, I'm gonna be dyeing my hair with the Creme of Nature Ginger Blonde. It is this color right here, this guy, Creme of Nature Ginger Blonde, or this woman. It's the exotic shine color with argan oil from Morocco. Yeah, I heard that it's one of the best hair dye situations, so I got it at Sally's. I only got one because I could only find one. Literally drove around everywhere, and I wasn't gonna order it online because I wanted to do this ASAP. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we're working with here. I hope one is enough because I kind of have a lot of hair, but we'll see. So yeah, my hair is pretty dusty and crusty. Got a lot of hair gel in here right now because I've been wearing slicked ponytails. Okay, so I'm quickly gonna just like divide my hair up and detangle. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I wanted to switch up the angle a little bit just so you guys could see it better, hopefully. Okay, so I am going to actually transfer this into this bowl because it's kind of messy and it's hard to mix properly. I don't really want to deal with that. And just pour it all in there. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna start in the back because, I don't know, just start in the back, I guess. And I'm just gonna be using my hand to dip in because I feel like that's easier than the applicator bottle. So I'm gonna mix it. Okay, so I'm all done putting all of it into my hair. I'm gonna leave it on for about 20 minutes. The thing says 10 minutes, but I don't think that's gonna be enough for my hair. So I'm gonna leave it on for 20 minutes. And then I'll be back at the end of that 20 minutes so we can see how it's looking. Alright, bye guys. Okay, I lied. So, actually, I'm going to put this bag over my head so that it can seal in that heat. So yeah. Alright, be back in 20 minutes. Alright guys, so the timer just went off. It is time to undo this and see the damage. Okay, so I just really quickly want to show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, this is the full-on color before I wash it out. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I have rinsed and shampooed my hair out. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at it in detail to see if we have to tone, because I don't know if I'm gonna actually tone if I really like it. This is the color. Wow. I actually really love this. Doesn't go all the way in. It's really pretty. Ooh. Yes. She's a little blonde or whatever. Yes. Okay. She is blonde or whatever. Yes, yes, yes. I love it. So I'm not gonna tone because I actually really like this color. I think it's a my color. It's a me. It's just like, wow. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna deep condition. Really quick, I guess, before I go into the deep conditioning, I'm just gonna talk about how my hair feels. Like compared to right here feels a little softer, and this feels a little bit more coarse or dry. But it's not like anything super crazy that my hair has been this dry naturally before, so it's not that much of a big difference. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with deep conditioning. I'm just gonna take a little bit in my hands and then start working it in. And then I'm just gonna detangle while I'm at it. Okay, so I am gonna work on this side, and then I'll be back. I'm gonna put a shower cap over my head and let it soak in for about an hour or two so that it can get nice and moisturized. And then I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have been deep conditioning for about 2.5 hours. So it's about time to get it out. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this out. Whew. It's so warm under here. And then we're gonna see what we're working with. I feel like I look like a little bean. It's actually really, really, really soft right now. So I'm super excited. Ooh, yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is her. Out the frame. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the conditioner out of my hair, and then I will be right back to show you guys the finished results. Alright guys, so I am back, nice and washed. My hair's washed. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo it, and let's see what it looks like. You know, the basically final product. Ooh, I look like a little bean head. I look like a bean head. Guys, is my forehead small or big? I never have been able, like, it's almost smaller than a forehead. It's more like a 3-head, but sometimes I feel like my forehead is big, like a 5-head, but definitely my fingers cannot fit over it. So, like, what's the deal with that? Is it a 4-head? Is it a 3-head? Is it a 5-head? I don't know. Let me know that in the comments. You know? Anyways. Sorry, guys. I'm kind of a weirdo. I am going to go ahead and show you guys. This is it straight out of the shower. Ooh. See? This is usually what my hair looks like straight out of the shower anyways. So to me it looks pretty good. Yeah. I mean, this is more or less my finished product, guys. I mean, I like it. I like this color a lot. It's so pretty. It's not like super blonde, which is what this is what I wanted basically. I didn't want it to be like super duper blonde or anything, too like whoosh. It's just like whoosh, little subtleness, and that's what I was going for. And I think that's what I achieved. I really like this look. Let me just look at myself a little bit. Yes, yes. Cream of nature. Pretty good, I'd have to say, you know? Thumbs up from me. And my hair doesn't really feel dry or anything. It feels really good. So if you are really itching to dye your hair, you know, it's about to be a new year, you want to change up the look like me, then yeah. And all it took to really get this was about 20 minutes, guys. So that's pretty bomb if you ask me. Look, just do it. I mean, it's hair, unless you really have like an attachment to your hair. If not, it grows back. If it breaks off, cut it, start short. You know, like at the end of the day, it's hair. And I know we tend to have like this big attachment to our hair, but like, to be honest, it ain't that serious, you know? Like, if my hair falls out tomorrow, then it falls out. Then I'm gonna rock the bald look, okay? I've always wanted to do that. So, you know what? In 2020, we ain't afraid no more, okay? We are gonna take bold steps. We're gonna stand up. We're gonna do what we want that makes us happy, and that is all I am trying to do, y'all. So if you like this look, leave a big thumbs up and comment down below what you think of the look, okay? Let me know. Let your girl know what's up. Let me know, please. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Sorry I just went on a little big old rant, big rant, okay? Please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye guys.